Praise and menace of skateboards. And with us today is the skateboard champ, the female champ. She's from San Diego, California. She is this young lady right here, Miss Pat McGee. Would you welcome her, please? Pat? Show us what you can do on that, will you?
First thing I'm going to do is a kick turn. Another way to walk the board.
That looks easy. Can you teach Pat and me how to do this? And
I'd love to. I'd love to.
You want to take a chance, Rod?
Don't worry about getting your other foot on. How do you control where you're going?
See, this is fun.
This is all right. Okay, now let's do it back.
All right,
but this time...
We'll just ride this right back there.
But now this time, I'm going to go
Does the label go on the back? Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm going to do it this time out in front of you.
Go ahead, Pat.
All right. You're ready. And now, as you can see, when I bring my foot back, now here I've got speed, and I just pose it right here. Now, see, I have all my weight on this foot, but I'm just resting this foot here.
Go ahead, Pat. You're next.